Now, fintech firms can now tap a new $6 million grant to tide them over the COVID-19 pandemic and to emerge stronger. The funds are provided by the Monetary Authority of Singapore and its partners. It comes on top of a $125 million support package announced last month. There are two categories. The first offers each eligible firm up to $20,000 to cover expenses like salaries and rent. The other provides up to $80,000 for concepts submitted to an ASEAN cross-border sandbox, where fintech and banking players connect and experiment. $1,000 will also be set aside per month for each intern hired. Applications for the grant will open from next Monday.